morning, and thanks for being with us on this Wednesday morning. I'm Heather Abraham. Do you have a question for a lawyer? Maybe you have a landlord-tenant dispute or got into a little trouble with the law. Well, today is your day to get answers. It's Katie and you and the law day. Starting at noon today, lawyers from the Allegheny County Bar Association will be staffing the phone lines so you can call in for free to ask your legal questions. It's a community service that KDKA-TV is proud to be part of. And here to help you make the most of your time when talking with an attorney is Whitney Hughes of the Allegheny County Bar Association's Lawyer Finder Service. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is a really hard thing, I think, for some people. Maybe this is the first time they found themselves in legal trouble. They don't know where to turn.
Yeah, I mean, it can be very, very intimidating. I think a lot of people wait until the last minute to try to get legal help, or wait until they've received something in the mail and they don't understand. So you're right, people are kind of leery and iffy about asking questions.
So one thing that you brought up is a lot of people will turn to the internet for help. That's their first thing. And it's extremely overwhelming.
It's very overwhelming. I mean, Google is a great tool, but it can be overwhelming. And something else to keep in mind is that law firms can pay for higher Google rankings. So the ones that are coming up highest in those Google rankings aren't necessarily the best match for you. It's just someone who has paid Google to highlight their service. So that's the first thing to keep in mind. The second thing to keep in mind is that you have to look at substance versus style.
Okay.
A lot of attorneys and firms' websites look fantastic, but you need to actually go through that website, find out if they're answering questions, what their experience is, if it's somebody you'd be comfortable with. So don't just look at the flash and how great it looks, look at the actual meat to that website.
Okay. You also say sometimes the best way to find a lawyer is just by asking a friend or a neighbor.
Absolutely. Somebody who has been through that situation before. You know, if you move into a neighborhood and somebody else has just had their property reassessed, talk to them, find out who they've used, if it's worked out well for them. If, you know, somebody you work with has gone through a family to you, I love my attorney, she was great, it worked out really well, get names. And, you know, word of mouth is a fantastic tool, so that's a great old-fashioned way to do it.
It's funny you bring up the property assessment because that actually happened to us when we bought our house, so
that's
good
true
to know. And you say just keep it simple when you're talking to the attorney at first.
Absolutely. Who, what, when, and where. Identify yourself. It helps an attorney know if there's a conflict of interest. So if you say, you know, I'm Whitney Hughes, I work for the Bar Association, if the attorney has said, well, I did work for the Bar Association, it's a conflict of interest, I can't do it anymore.
Right.
So identify yourself. What? Tell the attorney exactly what you need to have done. I received something in the mail that my property reassessment has gone up. I'm looking for somebody to help lower that. Be very specific about what you need that attorney to do. When, if there's a filing deadline or a hearing coming up, you need to let the attorney know that. You know, if you've got a hearing scheduled next Thursday, you need to say to them, there's a hearing scheduled at 10 a.m. because if they can't do it based on their schedule or they're going to be out of town or in trial, you need to let them know. And finally, where? Let the attorney know what's going on, especially around here. I know we get calls all the time from people who say, you know, I'm in Washington County, but I'm looking for a Pittsburgh attorney. You need to tell the attorney that because maybe their answer is, well, I don't really do work in Washington County.
Right.
And you need to let them know that as well.
I think your next tip also kind of ties into that because you say don't get overly emotional.
That's a big thing. I mean, we hear that a lot. We get the calls today for Katie and you and the law, and sometimes people are very, very emotional when they call, and it's understandable. But if you've scheduled, you know, an hour with an attorney to do a consult, and you spend 20 minutes to half an hour of that hour crying and angry and venting, it's not an effective use of the time that you have with that attorney. So it's difficult to do, but keep a clear head. If it helps, write down the things that you need to discuss.
I was just going to say that tying in with the first or the last thing that you just said, the who, what, where, when, maybe write those down, have a sentence or two so that way you can speak clearly.
Absolutely.
And you say ask basic questions about their experience, expectations, and cost.
Definitely, especially the cost, and this is where a lot of people get hung up. Attorneys charge for their time, so they will tell you, you know, I will expect a $2,000 retainer, my hourly rate is $200 an hour. Be clear about what exactly you're getting for what you're paying.
Okay.
Understand that. If you don't understand it, stop the conversation right there before it goes any further.
Okay, and you also say if the attorney tells you something that you don't understand, stop again for clarification.
Absolutely. I mean, a lot of people, you know, we get these types of calls where people say, well, the attorney told me X and I thought that meant Y. You can't do that. Make sure you understand what the attorney is going to do for you.
And if you have trouble finding someone to accept your case, it may not be a good case.
Yeah, I mean, that's something to keep in mind as well. You know, attorneys, it's not just whether or not you are seeking some kind of moral victory. When an attorney looks at a case, it has to be, you know, is this something where I can secure some type of favorable result for the client? If, you know, you're going after someone who doesn't have a lot of assets, who isn't going to be able to pay you in the future, the attorney may look at it and say, yes, you have a viable claim, something happened to you that shouldn't have, but there may not be a likelihood of you recovering. So that's something you have to consider. Okay,
well, such a great service that you guys provide. And again, Attorney Whitney Hughes with the Allegheny County Bar Association. And remember that you can call in to Katie, you, and the law. Today, attorneys will be manning the phones, the phone banks, and that's from noon until 6 today. Tune in to KDKA TV at that time to see the number to call.